How to file 1099-NEC electronically with the IRS. If you paid a contractor $600 or more, you are required to file a 1099-NEC with the IRS. And filing electronically is the fastest and safest way to do it. First, gather what you need. You'll need the contractor's name, address, social security number, or EIN, and the total amount you paid them during the year. This information usually comes from the W-9 they should have given you before you paid them. Next, choose how you're filing. The IRS offers its own system called IRS, which lets you file 1099 forms directly online for free. You'll need to create an IRS account and verify your identity, but once you're in, the system walks you through each step. After logging in, select 1099-NEC as the form type. Enter your business information, then the contractor's information, and finally, the non-employee compensation amount. Double-check everything carefully. A wrong name or tax ID can cause delays or penalties. Once the form is complete, submit it electronically. You'll receive confirmation that the IRS accepted the filing. You also need to make sure the contractor gets their copy, either electronically with consent or by mailing it to them. The deadline matters. Most 1099-NEC forms must be filed by January 31st. Filing late can result in penalties, so don't wait until the last minute. Quick recap: collect the W-9, log into the IRS electronic filing system, enter the details, submit the form, and send a copy to the contractor. That's it. Simple, fast, and no paper forms required. Like and subscribe if I helped.